Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, we will see publicly available OPC UA server for learning, testing, and development purpose. Okay, if you are using some software and if you want to use that software to connect with any OPC UA server, and if you don't have any simulated OPC UA server available, then you can use this OPC UA server, which is publicly available on the internet, and you can test your software connectivity with OPC UA protocol. Okay, so let's see how you can connect with those OPC UA server using UA Expert, and then after you can explore those connectivity with different software. So here is the OPC UA server detail. Here is the endpoint URL, and here is the username and password to connect with that OPC US server. And this OPC US server is from the Neuron. Okay, and the Neuron is a leading industrial IoT edge platform to connect with OT system and to forward the data to IT system. Okay, so this is the OPC US server from them, and which is publicly available. So you can use this username and password to connect with that OPC US server, and you can develop your application. Now, how to connect with that OPC UA server? So I'm going to use the UA Expert as of now to demonstrate how you can connect. So let's see how to proceed with that. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, okay, add server, and we will navigate to the advanced. Here we will provide the configuration name, which is Neuron OPC UA server. And in the endpoint URL, I'm going to copy this endpoint URL, okay, opc.tcp://IP address port number. I'm going to paste it here, and there is no security policy and no security mode, so I'm going to select the none. And yes, we have the authentication, so we are going to select the username and password authentication. And here is the username. You can see CERT test is the username, so I will provide the username here, and we will click on the store to store the password for this OPC US server, and password is N3URON Neuron. Okay, I'm going to paste it here, and then we will press OK. Now you have to ignore this error, okay, and then it will connect to that OPC US server. If you don't ignore this error, then it won't connect to that OPC US server. So here you have to select the ignore option. Okay, and here you can check the log while it is connecting with that OPC US server. You can see browse node I is equal to 84 succeeded, I is equal to 85 succeeded. And here you can see the entire address space of this Neuron OPC US server. Okay, you can see BLK01. This is the main folder. Inside that we have this multiple folder, and the detail of everything is available in this Excel sheet. So BLK is for, let me show you. Yeah, BLK is for this one, solar tracker. So BLK cabin 01 tracker, and we have this three tag in that tracker folder, which is position difference, position side point, and the position value. Also, we have the pyrometer, simulated pyrometer available on this OPC UA server, and here we will find the irradiance of the solar. Okay, now let's browse it. So I'm going to browse the substation, and here we will have the meter, and I'm going to drag this meter tag to the monitoring field. Okay, and we will press yes. There are multiple tags available, but let me delete them and let me add few manually. Angle, phase, current, energy, frequency, power. Okay, and you will see this tag will be updated at certain interval, and here you can see the status code, which is good. Also, you can expand the BLK01 folder. You can expand the MET01 folder to get the pyrometer reading. Okay, here is the pyrometer folder, and here is the irradiance of the pyrometer. Okay, you can see the entire tag, okay, the display name and the value. Okay, and the value will be updated at certain interval. You can see the server timestamp here, and you can also see the source timestamp. Okay, so this is how you can use this OPC US server, which is publicly available for your learning, testing, and development purpose. Okay, and I will provide this Excel sheet with the video, so you can explore this Excel sheet and you can work according to this Excel to get the data from OPC UA server. So I hope everything is clear. And if you still have any questions or any doubt in this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also, you can comment on this video. Also, you can send me a mail. So this is the one of the publicly available OPC UA server. We are also going to cover more publicly available OPC UA server in the future videos. So stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.